Wheel file installation. How do I install a .whl file? I have the wheel library, but I don't know how to use it to install those files. I have the .whl file, but I don't know how to run it.
You normally use a tool like pip to install wheels. Leave it to the tool to discover and download the file if this is for a project hosted on Pipey. For this to work, you do need to install the wheel package. You can then tell pip to install the project, and it'll download the wheel if available, or the wheel file directly. Also see the wheel project documentation.
If you already have a wheel file, .whl, on your PC, then just go with the following code. If you want to download a file from web, and then install it, go with the following in command line. Or, if you have the URL. This will for sure install the required file. Note, I had to type pip2 instead of pip while using Python 2.
You can follow the below command to install using the wheel file at your local system.
Also, you can use this command to make sure that you have the latest version and install a wheel.